I don't care how, I care when. As in now, you hear me? Hey man, what the
Hello, boss man. Taking care of business, I see.
Torino, fuck you. Almost lost my life out there for you.
I got just one tiny little thing for you to do, and then I'm out of your life forever.
You know what? I'm tired of your fucking little jobs.
Ah, will you stop? This is pathetic. Come on, you're embarrassing yourself. Come on, put it down. Don't be ridiculous, okay? Hey, I got a little surprise for you here. You ready for this? Huh? Answer it.
Hello?
Carl, Sweet.
Oh, sweet.
I don't know what happened. They just released me. No idea what's going on. But I'm in the square outside the precinct in Commerce.
All right, you hold tight. I'll be right there.
All right.
So what was that little job you was talking about, Torino?
I just want you to go pick up your brother. Get out of here.
See, that's why I don't stop for you little thugs. Easy.
Have you ever seen the show Long?
Yeah, it's the worst.
I'll be seeing you later.
Bye, Lulu.
Momo's with guns. Lunatic. Damn it.
Watch your step.
Jerk off.
Man, are you even gonna make it to the gas hole?
Hi, friend.
Oi, governor.
I love that.
What's up, bruh?
Hey, what's up, man?
How you doing, bruh?
I'm all right, man. Hey, man, we off to our new spot. We got a mansion, sweet. We've been putting in work, and shit is going well. We got a stake in the casino. We got some insane shit in Fierro. We get into the rap game. Hey, man, let me get you some new clothes. Come on.
New clothes? Nigga, what the fuck is this bullshit?
What you mean, man? What's mine is yours, and you know that.
You never did get it, did you, Carl? I need to go check on things in the hood. Man, that's the problem. You always a perpetrator, running from what's real.
Hey, man, shit's fucked up there. You don't want to be in the hood.
No, that's exactly where I want to be. What you done for our hood?
Man, what the hood done for me? Always dragging me down. Ever since I got out the hood, shit been cracking. That's everybody's dream to get out the hood.
Man, you sound just like Smoke right now.
All right, man. You hard. I'ma show you what's going on in the hood. You gotta understand, shit's all fucked up now, dude.
Yeah?
What you want, it ain't around here no more.
Just take me to Mama's house.
what about his blender? It's really good. It sort of works.
Man, what the fuck? That's Marl's blender.
Look like baseheads and took over the spot. Let's go home.
This is home, man. Get these fuckers out of Mom's house. You was born in there. Damn.
Hey, baby, let me dug you out.
I'ma finish this.
Let's chunk 'em, fool! Blast on them fools. Hey, I'll have that now. Hey, dude, keep up. Oh, you... Give me that money. All right, man, let's get out of here and go see Kendall.
Kendall can come see me right here at her home.
But it ain't nothing here no more.
Rome wasn't built in a day, nigga.
My brother could be a real pain in the ass.
Anybody here see my... You mad dogging me, man.
Shit, I'm sucking a rope.
Don't be a bitch.
See,
Grove
they
Street
want some
needs
whack-ass
you.
chat.
You talk well for somebody who's inbred.
Jump in, family. What's up, home?
Hey, what's the home?
Scrub your speed. Glad it ain't my rod.
Foul ball.
Man, it's a family core.
Next hey.
Pay your spray. Head up.
What's up?
You two-bit backstabbing piece of eggplant shit.
Salvatore, nice to hear from you too.
You're dead. Your friends are dead.
I'm
Your
gonna get
family's
that
dead.
for my kid.
I'm gonna fuck you up and your children and your grandchildren.
Well, it's been nice talking to you, but I got some money that needs spending on some expensive trash, so if you excuse me.
You're dead. Dead.
A Johnson take that.
Yeah, and you just a punk-ass bitch.
Hey, you pushing me? Wearing your hood on your skin, word?
Whatever you say, fool.
Just saying. I ain't riding in that bucket, homie.
Screw you, punk.
Big!
Catalina, is that you again?